नमस्कार। आज मैं आपके सामने इंग्लिश ग्रामर का एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक लेकर आया हूं जिसका नाम है पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच, जो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है और आपको बहुत पसंद आएगा। अगर आपको ये मेरा वीडियो पसंद आए तो इसको लाइक और शेयर जरूर करना, और यदि आप पहली बार ये वीडियो देख रहे हो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल। नाउ we shall discuss about parts of speech. There are 8 parts of a speech. Speech के 8 भाग होते हैं, namely first noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjection. In Hindi we can say noun संज्ञा, pronoun सर्वनाम, verb क्रिया, adverb क्रिया विशेषण, adjective विशेषण, preposition संबंध बोधक, conjunction योजक एंड interjection विस्मयादि बोधक. Now we shall discuss about noun. What is noun? A noun is a name of a person, place, thing, quality, condition and action. For example, Ram describes about a person, cattle describes about a place, book describes about a thing, honesty describes about a quality, illness describes a condition and movement describes about an action. Types of nouns. There are 2 types of noun, one countable nouns and the second uncountable nouns. The noun which can be counted in the form of 1, 2, 3. For example, 1 book, 2 books, 3 books and so on. Second, uncountable nouns. The nouns which we cannot count are called uncountable nouns. For example, milk, water, gold, silver and so on. Countable nouns are of 3 types: proper noun, common noun and collective noun. Whereas uncountable nouns are of 2 types: material noun and abstract noun. First of all, we shall discuss about a proper noun. What is proper noun? It is a name of any particular name of a person, place or a thing. For example, Ram, Karnal, Ramayana. Here Ram describes about a particular person, Karnal describes about a particular place, Ramayana describes a particular thing, a name of holy book, Ramayana. Proper noun always begins with capital letter. Common noun, the noun which denotes common places, persons or things. For example, man, boy, city, teacher, etc. Man, Ram is a man, Sham is a man, means which is shared by all. Similarly, boy, Ram is also boy, Son is also boy, Rohan is also boy, Aryan is also boy, and it is common to all. Similarly, city, Karnal is also city, Bangalore is also city, Chandigarh is also city, any city which is common to all. Similarly, teacher, Ram is teacher, Poonam is teacher, Sita is teacher. The teacher is shared by all. It is common to all. That is called common noun. Next, collective noun. समुदायवाचक संज्ञा, समूहवाचक संज्ञा जिसको हम बोल सकते हैं हिंदी में. The noun which denotes groups of persons or other creatures and collection of things. For example, class, a group of students. Army, a collection of soldiers, mean group of soldiers. Team, a group of players, etc. Next, material noun, in Hindi we can say द्रव्यवाचक संज्ञा. It is a name of a material from which other substances are made. जिनसे अन्य चीजों का निर्माण किया जा सके. For example, water, wood, gold. Here, water is used in tea. Water is used in squash. Water is used in sponging. Similarly, wood is used in making chair, table, furniture, dressing table, and so on. Similarly, gold, it is used in making earrings, necklace, and so on. Abstract noun in Hindi we can say भाववाचक संज्ञा. It is the name of a concept, feeling, action, quality, or a state. Abstract noun which we can feel only. It cannot be touched. It cannot be seen. It can be felt only. So, this is called abstract noun. For example, honesty. Nobody can see honesty. Nobody can touch honesty. Honesty can be felt only. Nobody can say what is the color of honesty, what is the size of honesty. It can be felt only. Similarly, poverty. Nobody can see poverty. Nobody can touch poverty. It only can be felt. Similarly, bravery, truth, etc. Dear guys, I hope you will like my videos and share my videos. और यदि आप मेरे पहले व्यूअर हो तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना. ओके गाइस, थैंक यू, बाय.